Hi Team Resolute Christians, how are you all doing? It's been a while since we've done one of these, and I thought this week is actually going to be a really busy week for me. And in the past I've done some of the day in a life with me videos, and actually I've just gotten into this new diary planning little obsession, which I think some of you can actually relate to. So we're going to plan my week with me. I want to take you with me today, and one of the couple of days in this week. However, my dilemma is my phone broke, and I now have this cheap spare phone, and the camera quality is not good. And so I don't want to give you guys low quality camera lens. However, I would see how it goes. I'll record it and see how it comes up, and if it's dreadful, I'm not going to put you guys through it, but hopefully it can get some snippets here and there. And so just a bit of a backstory, if you're new to my channel and you're new to Ruth, who I am, you know, I am a content creator. I also have a full-time job, and I'm a mum, I'm a wife, I'm a minister, so I've got a lot of professional hats, and then I have, you know, a lot of activities happening during the week. And one of the things and the challenges that we have is that as your commitments change, we also have to adapt those to allow time with God. And you know, I remember when I was in uni, when I was a student, full-time student, you know, I was just able to just, you know, I was just able to make time for God, like all the time. Like, you know, that time when you can just lock yourself up for days because you had no commitments. There's no one calling you, needing you. Like, you could just do what you need to do as the Spirit led, and it was such an amazing time. However, fast forward a couple of years later, you know, now you have all these commitments. Your day is jam-packed, and sometimes you get to you know, the point where you're like, wow, like 1, 2, 3 days have gone by and I haven't actually opened the Bible. Wow, I haven't even had the chance to actually sit down, meditate and pray. And so I like to plan my week, and that's what's helped me, by having a schedule. And then what I've been loving to use lately is this. I hope you guys can see it, and also I've got a blurred background, but I hope it's focusing. I got this gem in Aldi. Okay, I was walking in Aldi, and then they had this on the middle aisle. I said, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let me get all my planning. And then also at the same time, they had this really cute planner as well, which, you know, lets you set your goals for the week and schedules for the week, which, you know, I've been loving to just every week, you know, write in it and just, you know, give myself, oh, please zoom, please focus. I hope it's focusing. We'll get a zoom in a minute anyway. And then really the coolest part for me here is the stickers, okay? A bunch of stickers that say well done, achieved, accomplished, and things like that. Right up my alley. So yeah, let's get to planning. Okay, so first thing I like to do is to just note out some of the highlights of that week that I'm going to be having, so that I have an overview of what's happening this week. So for Monday, I actually have a photo shoot to go to, just that. Okay, Tuesday we have evangelism. Wednesday I'm going to a conference in London. So I'm going to spend a lot of Thursday actually editing, so it's going to be editing heavy. Friday I have to, oh, why am I writing Friday? I've got paperwork to sort out on Friday. Saturday, I like to do family activity. And study. And then Sundays is church and visitations. Okay, so this in a nutshell has now given me an overview of what's coming this week. And what I love about this particular list, and I hope I can get it all into frame, it has loads of boxes for goals and notes. Make a list. And I like to do these as I go during the week. So for me, actually, my #1 goal this week, and I'm trying to go sugar-free, guys. I'm trying to have a week of no sugar, so sugar-free. And pardon my handwriting, because literally my camera is in front of me and I'm trying to like write with the camera in front of me, and I'll make the list as I go. Okay, and then obviously also these 2 boxes, I usually leave them for my daughters. So I ask my daughters what their goal for the week is, and I put each name in each box, and then when they achieve it, I've got these really fun stickers for them. Obviously my kids, they're quite young. I've got a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old, so that they get their stickers in there as well. Okay, so I hang that up on, so I've got like, there are loads of these, right? So for each week I tear up one, so I'm gonna hang that on the wall, and then we go from there. So next, what I do, I like to bring up my planner whilst I just now know all the things that are coming up this week. I go to the part that says, start of the week, which would be the 30th of September, Monday starting. You guys have probably seen this in the past now as I'm doing this. Can you guys believe this year is coming to an end? It's almost done. Serious. So I like to put in there, so now that I know what I'm doing during the week, I like to be more detailed as to what I want to achieve within those specific days, and that keeps me on track. So Monday in the morning, I'm going to my wake up time is 4:30 a.m. and I meditate and okay, so this is a rough idea of how my week kind of looks like. So this particular week, so with my YouTube, I have a week where all this editing would normally say recording. So I record for that whole week, and then the second week is my editing week, and then my third week is my YouTube evaluation planning week. So I've got like schedules for that. And so not every week will look the same, because some will have to take priority. So there will be a time where, for instance, my studies will need more focus, so it will replace some. But this really helps, like doing this every week really helps me just see what's coming and prepare mentally, because you need to prepare for these things mentally. Like, for the conference, I need to prepare mentally for the photo shoot coming, evangelism. Okay, for evangelism, you need to prepare your spirit, your mind, everything for that. And so, yeah. And so, really cool here as well, it gives me deadlines and when they are due. So normally I like to put in there, for instance, if I've got an assignment, I'll put it there and what date it is. So for me here, would be, for this week, my deadlines would be edit vid 1, edit vid 2, and so forth. And so as I've done those, I'll just tick it, and then hopefully by the end of the week it's all done, and then it's cool. So it's pretty cool. I love these diaries. They're just fun. It makes it fun. It makes a busy life fun. Hi guys, I hope these gems were helpful. Do let me know if there's any nuggets that really help you, so that we can learn from each other. And hopefully my camera quality isn't too bad. Enjoy the camera roll.